Steve from Grays Marine Welding. Behind us here, we got the 5 weeks. It's a 6100cc centre console. We built it in 5 weeks, hence the name. Everyone said it wasn't possible. An unreal offshore boat, very smooth riding. We put it through our tests ourselves. Very comfortable, be more than happy to go 100k offshore without drama. Fuel economy is unreal with 150. A lot of custom builds in it. We've got underfloor water tank, 200 litre fuel tank, 200 litre live well, live bait tank, all custom bow mount for the motor guide, extra hatches for storage. 5 weeks, it'll carry 6 people comfortably. It's got a 150 Merc on the back. They're rated for a 150. Light ship displacement is 1350, 14 degree dead rise, 5mm bottom, 4mm sides. Sits unreal in the water, very stable at rest, rides well. Cruising speed, 43 Ks. The 150, you'll sit on around 63, 65 Ks an hour, quite comfortably. Hope you enjoy the 5 weeks of my life that I put into this boat. Unreal boat, and I hope you enjoy it.